Hi everybody, I'm Jerry Kezhaya and I want to welcome you to the Auto Shop. We're sitting here today. It's a great day in Texas and it's a beautiful day here in Plano. And I want to tell you a little story about oil, right? So here is oil with 500 miles on it. See how nice and clean it is? Man, there's no question about it. I'm sorry, that one's got 0 miles. This one is the one with 500. Oh, look at the difference between the two. You can see that there's already some carbon buildup inside the oil and fuel deposits. This oil has 3,000 miles on it. Wow, what a huge difference. Can you imagine that? People say you can run your car for a lot longer than 3,000 miles today. Well, here's one that's got 6,000 miles on it, and let's just compare those two. 3,000 and 6,000 miles. Look at how nasty that oil is. Man, if you run it according to some manufacturers tell you you can go up to 15 or 20,000 miles, it's going to be like shoving toothpaste through your engine. But what they don't tell you is the oil filter. If you look inside, this is a special design oil filter so we can actually show you what's inside of it. If you look, it's really just paper. Some cars use a cartridge type filter, and you can see that it's just nothing but paper. What happens when you get paper wet? Doesn't it get soggy? Doesn't it go bad? Can you imagine keeping this paper in your car for a year or longer and running 60 to 90 pounds of pressure through it? Pretty soon it's going to blow holes in the filter and you're going to have no filtering whatsoever in your engine, and that's part of how the oil gets so nasty. We had a young man come in just yesterday with a car, and he said, you know, I was a little late last time on the oil change. Well, I'm going to tell you, when he pulled up, the knocking was so loud, we could hear him as he was driving into the parking lot, and it was all because he did not change his oil. Don't let that happen to you. Please, bring your car in. Let's kind of look at somewhere around 3,000 to 4,000 miles between oil changes. Come see us at the Auto Shop. We'll make sure that we keep you running. Give us a call at 972-578-0588, and we'll set an appointment for you. We'll do a full bumper-to-bumper inspection on your car, or you can also set an appointment online at www.theautoshop.com. Come see us. We'll keep you running. See you next time.